Welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Shipping and Logistics. In this video we will learn about shipping cost factors and how can we reduce this cost. Shipping costs means the costs relating to shipments of the products by company to customers pursuant to the applicable standard shipping rates without markup as and when a product is shipped pursuant to this agreement. Shipping can be a significant expense for both businesses and individuals. But with some smart strategies, you can save money on your shipping costs. In this video, we'll go over some practical tips to help you cut down on shipping expenses. The receiver is responsible for arranging and paying for the actual shipping cost from the port of origin to the destination port and for arranging and paying for transportation to any further destination. The shipper is, thus, free of responsibility once the goods are on board the ship. Shipping costs can vary depending on a number of factors, including the weight and size of the package, the shipping destination, the shipping method, and the carrier. Here is a breakdown of some of the factors that can impact shipping costs. 1. Weight and size. The weight and size of the package are some of the most important factors that determine shipping costs. Heavier and larger packages typically cost more to ship, as they require more space and resources. 2. Destination. Shipping costs can vary depending on the distance between the shipping origin and the destination. Shipping to a nearby location may be less expensive than shipping to a far-off destination. 3. Shipping method. The shipping method you choose can also impact shipping costs. Expedited shipping or overnight shipping, for example, can be more expensive than standard shipping. 4. Carrier. Different carriers offer different rates and pricing structures. It's important to compare rates across carriers to find the most cost-effective option for your business. 5. Additional fees. Some carriers may charge additional fees for services like signature confirmation, insurance, or delivery to certain areas. These fees can add up and increase the overall shipping cost. 6. Fuel surcharges. Some carriers may also charge a fuel surcharge to account for fluctuations in fuel prices. It's important to keep these factors in mind when calculating shipping costs for your business. By understanding the various factors that impact shipping costs, you can make informed decisions and find the most cost-effective shipping options for your business. Here are some tips and tricks for businesses to save on shipping costs. 1. Negotiate rates with carriers. Don't be afraid to negotiate with carriers for better rates. If you have a high volume of shipments, carriers may be willing to offer you discounted rates. 2. Use a shipping aggregator. Shipping aggregators like ShipStation, Shippo, and Ordoro can help you compare rates across multiple carriers, allowing you to choose the most cost-effective option. 3. Optimize packaging. Using the right size and type of packaging can help you save on shipping costs. Oversized boxes or heavy packaging can increase the weight and size of your shipments, leading to higher shipping costs. 4. Use flat-rate shipping. Flat-rate shipping can be a cost-effective option for businesses shipping small, heavy items. With flat-rate shipping, you pay a fixed rate regardless of the weight or size of your shipment. 5. Consider shipping zones. Shipping costs can vary depending on the distance between your business and the destination. If you frequently ship to a particular region, it may be cost-effective to use a carrier that offers lower rates in that region. 6. Use online postage. Online postage services like Stamps.com and Endicia can help you save on shipping costs by offering discounted rates and allowing you to print postage labels from your computer. 7. Leverage shipping supplies. Many carriers offer free or discounted shipping supplies, such as boxes, envelopes, and labels. Using these supplies can help you save on packaging costs. 8. Use a shipping calculator. Before you ship a package, use a shipping calculator to estimate the cost. This can help you choose the most cost-effective shipping option and avoid unexpected shipping charges. By implementing these tips and tricks, businesses can save money on shipping costs and improve their bottom line. Please like and subscribe for more shipping and logistics-related videos.